Hello kids, welcome to our story. Today we will learn about a brave little friend. Let's meet Sammy the squirrel. This is Sammy. Sammy lives in a big cozy tree. He loves to eat acorns, but he is afraid to the dark woods. One day, Sammy's friend the bunny loses his ball. The ball goes into the dark woods. Bunny is very sad. Sammy wants to help Bunny. He takes a deep breath. He is scared, but he walks into the dark woods. He is being brave. Looks, Sammy found the red ball. Good job, Sammy. Bunny is very happy. He gives Sammy a big hug. Sammy learned something today. Being brave means you do the right thing, even when you are afraid. The end. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more stories. Bye bye. Take care of you. See you soon. Assalamualaikum.